In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to load page error on Amazon Alexa. So if you're being told, let's try again, but each and every time you try to load the page, nothing works, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this on your app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so most likely if you're getting this error, it's because you don't have a stable internet connection. For that, you need to check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. However, if your internet is okay, but you still have this issue, then check and ensure that you are not connected to or using any VPN at the moment, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. For that, you need to turn off the VPN, or if you have any recently installed proxy or security app, you can also uninstall it and try to load your page and everything should be okay. However, should this not work, then you want to check and see if you have any update for your Amazon Alexa app. For that, you need to go to Google Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone, and search for your Amazon Alexa app. And should you find we have an update your app to the latest version to fix this error. However, should this not work, then you want to troubleshoot your Amazon Alexa app. To do that, just go to settings on your phone, and from settings look for apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps or all apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Amazon Alexa, and here go to force stop. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then look for clear data and tap on clear cache, and again clear all data. For this, you'll need to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted, now go to your Amazon Alexa app, and now you'll need to log in afresh, and everything now should be okay. Your pages should load without any issue. So let me know which of these methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.